On Thursday, October 23rd, Estonia and South Korea signed a bilateral defense cooperation agreement. As part of this event, the Baltic nation expressed its intention to purchase South Korean K239 Chunmoo self-propelled multiple launch rocket systems to bolster its defense on NATO's eastern flank. Let's look at this news and what else is known thus far. So, according to Estonian public broadcaster ERR, a statement said that Estonia wants to procure the South Korean K239 Chunmoo self-propelled multiple-launch rocket system. The system, produced by Hanwha Aerospace, is capable of firing several different guided or unguided artillery rockets with a maximum range of around 450 kilometers, depending on type of ammunition. On the topic of signing the bilateral defense cooperation agreement, Estonian Defense Minister Hanno Pevkur stated, "It is important for Estonia to have the ability to influence the enemy deep within its territory. To this end, it is necessary to increase Estonia's deep strike capability with additional rocket launchers." The minister highlighted that a similar solution based on US and South Korean rocket launchers is also used by Poland. The next step will be the signing of framework agreements. Thus, specifics of a deal such as cost and quantity have yet to be solidified. Such details will be further discussed at a technical level between the Estonian Centre for Defence Investments, South Korea's export agency, and the manufacturer. Estonia's defence minister did say, however, that the K239s should be in the country within 2 to 3 years, and if negotiations go well, it might even be sooner. Pevkur also added that he will want to work out a deal that will see investments go to the domestic defense industry, which we presume will at least mean contracts for local maintenance and logistics. Further technology transfer could be part of the deal, considering South Korea has made such deals with other countries in the past. If you've been following our channel or Baltic defense news at all, you may already know that Estonia has purchased the American-made HIMARS produced by Lockheed Martin. Estonia received these 6 HIMARS launchers in April 2025, the first of the 3 Baltic nations to take delivery. Latvia and Lithuania have also ordered these systems and will get them in the coming years. The K239 Chunmoo is similar to the HIMARS as they are both multiple rocket launcher systems on wheeled platforms. However, the K239 features a dual pod system, allowing the firing of twice the number of rockets per mission. HIMARS fires 1 pod of 6 rockets. The K239, on the other hand, can fire 2 pods simultaneously, either the same or different types of ammunition. When it comes to Poland, the country does indeed have both the HIMARS and its own version of the K239. The latter is known as the Homar K, and some 290 of these systems are being acquired. The number of HIMARS ordered by Poland could go as high as 500. Pevkur told ERR that the Polish defense minister made assurances that the country is ready to offer training to Estonia and, if necessary, to bring their systems to the country. Polish support will most certainly help Estonia in terms of training, maintenance, and logistics. The Estonian defense minister noted that the 2 nations will work to get a training program up and running. It's rather interesting that Poland and Estonia are taking similar paths in making deals with South Korea, something the other Baltic nations have yet to do. Estonia already has the South Korean K9 tracked self-propelled artillery system, and Poland does as well. And then, of course, Poland has other deals with South Korea for tanks and aircraft. Some are wary of striking a deal with a partner that is so far away, rather than a European producer. Although, to be fair, the United States is a fairly distant partner as well. Of course, one major difference is that the US has troops on the ground in Estonia and across the region. Ultimately, it seems clear, at least to us, that cost and delivery times are factors that have been considered in Estonia's decision to move forward with the K239 Chunmoo systems. Poland's assurances of support may have tipped the scales. So, what do you think of Estonia's decision to acquire the K239 Chunmoo from South Korea? Let us know by leaving a comment.